Welcome to the investment markets overview for the week ending the 30th of September 2022. The blame game moved up a gear this week between the UK Central Bank and the Treasury. It is worth a reminder of just who drives what in finance and the markets. Exhibit 1 shows the UK 10-year gilt yield, the interest rate the UK government has to pay per annum to borrow. It is also the rate that a UK variable rate mortgage holder has to pay. Note that although the 10-year yield increased this week, following the mini-budget of the 23rd of September, it is a pittance compared to the 4,800% rise since August 2020. The blue line within the same chart is the Bank of England base rate, which has increased by 800% over the same period. Exhibit 2 shown within the right-hand chart compares the same two variables, reminding that a central bank is never proactive, they react to the market rate, in this case the 10-year yield. The overview includes the performance statistics for the main stock indices. This week they were lower in the main whilst ending a grim month. The cryptocurrencies were mixed. Whilst the commodities covered and sovereign bond yields were higher in the main. And do note the British pound performance. Meanwhile, the regional coverage alerts you to the percentage of US average incomes that are currently required to house one's self. Plus the UK staggering house price to earnings ratio, presided over by the Bank of England. And out east, alarm at the Reserve Bank of Australia. Returning to the UK's mini-budget, its critics have blamed it for the pound's fall. The fact is that it actually rose against the dollar this week, whilst it's been sliding in value for all of this year to date. And it isn't just the British pound that is falling against the mighty dollar, just look at the yen, the euro and the dollar Oz. Whilst many factors affect the value of a currency, such as the trade balance, interest rates, inflation and the nation's fiscal position. The heightened manipulation post the 2008 financial crisis by the G7 central bankers and political largesse have added to the volatility within the FX and bond markets. A final performance table for the major stock indices since the year 2000 concludes the investment markets overview. A one-month trial of this 40 times per year publication is available for less than $15, a whopping 70% discount. It's an ideal opportunity to grab the bargain for 4 publications. We strive to turn the technical into plain-speaking observations, backed up by factual charts and context. Join us for a guide through the maze of economic and market data via the weekly 5-page overview. Just follow the links provided, and if you're watching this on YouTube then kindly give it a like as it helps our channel.